Today I'm in North Petherwin, number 5 Mayna Parc. The village itself is a lovely community centred around the school and the local church, and it's about 5 or 6 miles from Launceston. The bungalow is absolutely lovely. It's been extended at the front and offers an amazing view over towards Dartmoor and the surrounding countryside. You've got a garage workshop, you've got parking with electric hookup for your parking as well, so electric cars, you've got that licked. And you've got 3 bedrooms in this detached bungalow with a nice kitchen and comfortable lounge. The garden is very productive. I'm sat in it now, you can hear the birds, and if you want to find out more, watch the video, then book a viewing.